Welcome to this video on Git operations. We will explore three fundamental concepts that form the backbone of version control: commit, push, and pull. These operations allow you to save your work, share it with others, and stay synchronized with your team. By the end of this series, you'll understand how to use these tools effectively in your development workflow. A commit is a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time. When you commit, you're saving a permanent record of all the changes you've made to your files. Each commit includes a descriptive message explaining what changed and why. This creates a detailed history of your project, allowing you to track every modification, understand what was changed, and even revert to previous versions if needed. The commit process has three main steps. First, you stage your changes using git add, which prepares the files you want to save. Second, you create a commit with a meaningful message using git commit, which locks in those changes with a description. Third, the commit is saved to your local repository history. This workflow ensures you have full control over what gets saved and why, making your project history clear and organized. A push is the action of uploading your local commits to a remote repository. When you push, you're sharing your work with your team by sending your commits to a server where others can access them. This makes your changes available to collaborators and ensures everyone has the latest version of your work. Pushing updates the remote branch with all the commits you've made locally. When you push, your commits travel from your local repository to the remote repository. This is typically done using the command git push origin main, where main is your branch name. The push operation uploads all the commits you've made but haven't shared yet. After pushing, your team members can pull those changes to see what you've been working on. A pull downloads commits from a remote repository to your local machine. When you pull, Git automatically fetches the latest changes from the remote repository and merges them with your local work. This keeps your local copy synchronized with the team's work and brings in changes made by your collaborators. Pulling is essential for staying up to date and avoiding conflicts in your codebase. When you pull, commits travel from the remote repository back to your local repository. This is typically done using the command git pull origin main. The pull operation combines two steps. It fetches the latest commits from the remote and then merges them into your local branch. This ensures you have all the latest changes from your team before you continue working. These three operations work together in a continuous cycle. You commit to save your work locally, push to share it with your team, and pull to get updates from others. Then you repeat this cycle as you continue developing. This pattern of committing, pushing, and pulling creates a collaborative workflow where everyone can work together efficiently, keeping all versions of the code synchronized and organized.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.